Guys, Steph had another fight.
Chucky and that black cat. You couldn't see it. Right, what they're gonna do is, are they gonna fight? Chucky's just chilling.